So some of you must be familiar with the chart type histogram. So histogram is nothing but a chart using which you can study the frequency of values within each range. Here you can see that we have a sample data that is giving us the list of invitees for a party along with their ages. So when you draw a histogram for this particular data, so the chart will give you the count of people who are attending in each age group. So this way you can decide the theme of your party based on the age group of people who are actually attending. So here in the histogram chart, you can see that the age is being grouped from 10 to 15, 15 to 20, and so on. So in this way, you can see the count of people from each age range that are attending your party. So now what if I want to change the way these ages are being grouped in this particular chart? So for that, choose customize, choose horizontal axis, and here you can find an option called the binning interval. So these ranges that are being shown in a histogram chart are called bins. So here you can enter the binning interval of your choice. So now let's say I'll give 10 here. So once I give 10 here, you can see on the left that the chart changes accordingly. So now the horizontal axis is grouping age from 10 to 20, 20 to 30, and so on. So this is how you can use a histogram chart to view your data set.